my name's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video about Yumiko leotards and dancewear. I am a Yumi girl and a Yumiko ambassador, and that means people can order their Yumiko dancewear items through me. Just some info for you on how this process works is you find a Yumi girl or a Yumi guy and you can send them the order that you would like. Then that Yumi girl or Yumi guy can take your order and put it in their bulk order. My minimum order amount is 10, so I need to have at least 10 Yumiko orders to send it in to Yumiko directly. When you order through a Yumiko ambassador, you get 15% off your order. If you'd like to place an order through me, I'll go ahead and leave my information below, or you can contact me on Instagram. So Yumikos are made in Spain, and after they're processed and made, they are sent to New York, and from there they're sent to each Yumiko ambassador. And from there, we send them out to each dancer. I have this order that I'll be showing you that was placed through me 6 to 8 weeks ago. I just got this order in the mail today. I'll be opening them to make sure that they are all made properly. That means the correct body color, correct trim, correct lining, and correct size. This is recommended by Yumiko for all Yumiko ambassadors to do before you send them or give them to your customers. That way, in case there are any mistakes made on the factory's end, I can send it directly back to Yumiko. I have my laptop here and I'm going to go over the list and make sure that all of the leotards were made correctly. So this is the type of packaging each comes in. This says this pouch is 100% compostable, made from cornstarch. So they are not just using any plastic. They're being resourceful and ethical, which is another reason why I love this company so much. So this first leotard is a Tamra style, and it is a solid white, and it is in Techni. It has a full front lining, which means that the lining goes all the way down the whole front of the leotard, which I always recommend for a solid white leotard. And this one looks good, so I'm gonna package it back up to get ready to send it out. Next I have just a plain simple white Isabel mesh skirt, and this one is made in the short version. This is a really fun option when you are pairing it with a colored or light colored leotard. It just looks so elegant and pretty matched with the Yumiko leotards. The Isabel mesh skirts can come in white, black, or tan. Ooh, this one is really pretty. So we have an Alicia style, and it is velvet on top, nylon on the bottom, and nylon trim. Let's see. It is high cut, has front lining, and it is an end-on body with velvet dawn and end star trim. This is all the color angelic, and it is tea angelic with velvet angelic and tea angelic trim. This is so pretty. It is the Jessica style, and so that means the back is closed and it has a zipper front. I think that she did a really good job on designing this one. I think that the different textures together are really pretty. This one looks perfect, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the package to send out. This next one is the Jayon style, I believe it is. Yeah, Jayon. This is Sea Hot Red, Sea Dusty Rose, and has a bust panel. This style I don't get very often in my orders, but I think it is so flattering. This is microfiber. It is so soft and so comfortable to wear. This reminds me of a Valentine's Day leotard. I feel like it is perfect to wear on Valentine's Day. This is something you could wear for an audition and really stand out. It also has a bust panel, so the inside lining is only halfway up the top. This style is the Natasha style. It is tea pistachio with tea rose trim. Oh wow, this is so cute. Natasha is one of my favorite styles because you have the high neck in the front, and then you have the open back. It is so flattering too. And this one also has a bust panel, so that means that it comes up halfway through the leotard for some lining. It looks like we have another white Yumiko. This one is microfiber white and velvet white. This is in the Marique style. I really like this style. At first I was a little bit hesitant, but once I got it, I feel like it just is really flattering on. Here's an up close of the velvet. Next we have another red one. This is the Denise Style. It is velvet red on top. It says V dark red for the trim and top, and T Babylon for the bottom. Babylon, Babylon. Babylon, B-A-B-Y-L-O-N. I also really love this style too. Basically, I love all the styles. Here's the back. I'm gonna turn this one inside out so you can see the lining. This is the front and what the lining looks like. You can see the whole front is lined, and then the back is just the Techni fabric. Now we have a green one. I don't think I've ever gotten this color combination before. This is the Daniella Style. So that is the front cami, and then the back is like a crisscross. This is a nice alternative, this style, if you're looking for a simple leotard, but also just want a little bit of nice detailing in the back. The green color is called Tea Verde, and it is paired with V Toffee trim. And I really like how that turned out. This one looks good, so I'll package it up and get it ready to go. Seems like white was really popular for this order, and what's funny is I didn't even realize that there were so many white when when I was placing the order, because I really just try and pay attention to each order on each line to make sure I don't mess anything up. But this is the third white one, or the fourth white Yumiko in this order. And that's really not common because most people steer away from white. I love how it looks, so I'm so happy that people are ordering more white. This is also a brand new style, so I'm really excited to see this one in person. This is called the Ellie, and it is similar to the Alicia front, but it is pinched. And then it has the low, not really too low, but the V back. I feel like this is gonna look so pretty on her, and I feel like she is going to love this one. This is Techni white bottom, and the rest is all velvet white, and she did get full lining on this one. This is a 3/4 sleeve, which means it comes right below the elbow. I always get really excited to see the new styles that come out, and I definitely like this one. This is the Yumiko I chose for this order. I had gotten an email from the head of Yumiko saying that they had very limited amount of floral mesh that was in stock that they could use for custom orders. So I just got really lucky with the timing of when I was placing my order, and I chose to add floral mesh to mine. So this is the Jessica Style, and it has the light pink zipper and the floral mesh, and then it also has the light pink trim on the sleeves. Here's the back. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on for you because I'm really excited to see how it is going to look like on. Now it's time for me to package up these leotards and send them out to my friends. Again, if you're a dancer and you'd like to place an order of Yumikos, you can write me on Instagram or you can comment below. If you have any other Yumiko videos you would like, please leave a suggestion in the comments below as well, as I would love to help you out and give you all the information I know on Yumiko. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and being a part of this video. I hope to see you in another video real soon. Thanks, bye!